I'm going to throw a question to you. As a freelancer, do you think I actually need to gain financial literacy? Do I actually need it? Is it something that is very, very important for me as a freelancer? Now, another question is, who is a freelancer? A freelancer is a self-employed individual who work for several clients, multiple jobs, and they determine their rates based on the nature of the job. In fact, I would even say they're independent contractors and they have control of how much they are going to be paid per job or per basis or whatever means it is they're using to, determine their rate of income. Now, how do you now spend wisely? Do you think this session is actually for you? Yes, we've been having series of discussion on how we can spend wisely, cutting across different set of audience, a student, a salary earner, a freelancer, and even an entrepreneur. Now, this session is basically for a freelancer. How should a freelancer spend wisely, generally and even in this season? One of my recommended ways is by adopting the 50-30-20 principle. Some people would prefer the 80, the 10-10 principle, or the 70, the 20, and the 10 principle. Whichever one works for you, it's fine. So I think as a freelancer, you really need to adopt that principle, allocating 50% of your income to probably my personal needs, to my basic needs, and to some other important expenses. This will actually give you a guide. It's going to keep you in track that yes, I am actually spending in line with what I have laid down. So that is one of the basic principles that I feel or recommend you should adopt. And also, because you're a freelancer, you're an independent contractor, and the like, does not mean you should cultivate the impulse buying habits. You need to be disciplined as well as a freelancer. Are you disciplined? Ask yourself that question. So you need to avoid impulse buying. Just, walk up to a store, love what you're actually seeing. Please, my dear, if you want to get anything, put it in budget. Let it be part of your budget. It doesn't restrict you from trying to live a good life, trying to be happy and all that, but it helps you to learn how to take control of your finances, how to take control of your funds, every income that comes in. Another way I can recommend is tracking your expenses. Just like I said, keeping up with budget and all that, you need to be strict to that budget. You need to strictly follow every detail, every line item in that budget. And that way, you can be able to track your expenses accurately. Also, you need to save more. Savings as a point can never ever be overruled. So, tracking your expenses helps you to utilize your funds effectively. So, my dear, as an independent contractor, as a freelancer, you work remotely, you have control of your time and the likes. Please also have control of your funds, have control of your finances. This will enable you to always make informed financial decisions. And lastly, please keep your personal account different or separate from your professional account. Let those two accounts be different and not single. Keep your personal account different or separate from your professional account. So when you now adopt that 50-30-20 guideline principle, you can be able to know how much goes into your personal account that is for you, payment of your own salary. Okay, so please keep your personal account separate from your professional account. So, my dear beautiful audience, my final word for you is wisdom. See you in the next channel. Bye.